Good morning. So this is the value that I chose for this video presentation. Under the learning competencies, use appropriate prosodic features of speech during interview discussions and forums. This will be found in page 104 in the K-12 English Curriculum Guide. And the values that will be integrated is fortitude. And the learning outcomes that will be expected is being able to deliver a speech fluently and with conviction. And the learning competency in the ESP is nakakatukoy na mga damdamin na nagpapamalas ng katatagan ng kalooban. This will be found in page 42 in the K-12 Curriculum Guide. Next is, I chose the problem-based model because I think that the values that I chose to be integrated is perfect for this kind of model. This model uses an inquiry or questioning. This could be either in the form of questions or problem solving. In this model, problem-based model, the students learn through the experience of solving an open-ended problem. So this model is student-centered. In test 3, you can see here that my activities are based on the problem-based model, and the questions that I intend to give to the students are always open-ended questions wherein they are free to answer. There is no right or wrong answer here, but they are free to give their answers, their opinion willingly. So the first strategy is incomplete sentences. So the activity I put here is to complete the following sentences orally, because my value that I intend to integrate here is fortitude, wherein they should be able to learn to speak fluently and with conviction. So we have to practice it in each activities. The next strategy is giving one's title to a poem, story, or paragraph. So this will be in groups, and they will have to make a title to the story or the paragraph that's given. Next is using value judgment questions. Now now here it is highlighted. The open-ended questions is highlighted here because although the answer should be based on the story that they have read, this is more opinionated. The answers are more opinionated. Next is giving caption to a picture. Every student is given a chance to give their own caption on the picture given, and they should have explanation on why they choose their caption. So I integrated here an explanations on why they choose their caption, so that their speech would also be improved, and so that they can defend their stand on why they gave that caption. Next is values voting. So they will just have to raise their right hand if they agree if the value is important, and their left hand if they agree that the value is not important, but afterwards they have to explain why they think it is important or not. Next is the rank order. So they will have to rank each of this that I have given to their own perspective. Next is reading a statement. So they will be given statements or famous quotes from important people, and then they have to say something about what they think about it, their opinion about the lines or the statement that is given here, what they think about it, do they agree or not, which is also done orally. And the last is I learned the statement. So they'll be given a story and they will have to answer the following what they have learned after reading the story, what they have realized after the story, and what did they discover after the story. So this is the end of my presentation on values. Thank you.